Welcome children. In this video I am going to discuss about the string functions. What is string function? String functions which are performed with the help of some inbuilt function. We can manipulate a string with the help of some inbuilt function or predefined function. Okay. So firstly we see length function. Here I am taking a string type as variable which stores hello Java. Okay, suppose we have to find the length of this string. So what we have to do? Length. Length means it stores in integer type. We write here int, then variable L is equals to, we have to find the string length of the S variable. So S dot. We are using here length function. Length function is predefined function. Simply you write here length and function. Simple. So according to this function, it will return the length of the string. And which string? S string. In S string we already stores here hello Java. So length of the string, its index position start with 0, but length always start with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will count space also. So 5 here space in 6 position, then 7, 8, 9, 10. So length of this string S string is, answer will be 10. Okay, answer will be 10 here. It's a length function. Next function is char function. This function returns a character from the given index of the string. Okay, given it's written the character value of the given specific index. So character value, so it will result will store in character type char ch. Suppose we have to find the 6 index value. We have to find the 6 index character, so of this string. So here we write s dot, then char add function. In this function we passing the index value. Index value I am saying 6. Okay. So result of ch is 6. In 6 index position, which character is there? J. So it will return, or ch will store j. Okay. So it's a char add function. Next function is to lowercase and to uppercase. This function like that, to lowercase and to uppercase is clear by name that if you want to convert your string in capital letter means all letter in capital form. So we have to use uppercase function, or if you want to store your string in small letter, all characters in small form, so here we use the to lowercase. So how we write the syntax? It's stored the whole string now. So result will be in string type. String SS is equals to, we have to convert S string means hello Java, in capital letter. So here we write S dot, that variable S dot, then to uppercase. So according to this statement, it will convert the whole string in capital letter. Capital letter means hello, then Java. All characters in capital letter. Clear? Next, if we want to convert in a small letter, so we write Data type string is, suppose I am taking variable m, we want to convert same string s value in small letter, or if you want to convert ss string, in ss string we store all letters in capital form. Now we have to convert this ss string, string in small letters. So here we use ss dot in ss variable holding the capital letter string. Now we convert ss dot to lowercase without space. Okay, here is no space. To lowercase. So according to this statement, it will print all letters in small form. Hello Java. Clear? These are the functions: caret function, length function, to lowercase to uppercase. Next function is index of function. This function returns the index of the string, index position of the string. Okay, so here if it will return the index position means it stores in integer type. Okay, suppose I am taking here int I is equals to, suppose we have to find the index of v of the given string. So here we write s dot, then index of O in capital form. Index of which character we have to find the index? V. So we have to write within single code character. Okay. So when we write this syntax, what will be the value here? The value of v is, index position of v is 8. Okay, so it will returns 8. It will stores, I variable stores 8. Okay, next is the last index of. This function simply index of. Next is the last index of. Suppose here a present 2 times, na? So here we write in li, last index is equals to s dot last index of. We have to find the index of a. Okay, we have to find the last index of a. So from, suppose if we write within index of a, so it will represent the index of first a. When it move left to right, first a it present in 7th position, so it will, from this index of function, it will return the value 7. But here is the last index of a. Last index means the last value of the index, the last value of the character a is, it will represent here. So here a 2 times, so it will not read, it will not represent the index of first a. It will represent the index of last a, that is 9. It will return the value 9. Clear? Index of and last index of. Last index of return the value of the last occurrence of a character in a string. Clear? Next function is trim function. Trim function is used to delete or trim the or cut the space before and after the string. Okay? Trim function is used to cut the space before and after the string. So you can see here in this function, in this string, before the hello I am taking a space here, and after the Java I am taking one space here. So How we write trim function? Trim function means it will store the string na, so data type will be string. String t is equals to, we have to cut the space of s string. Okay, so s dot trim function, trim, simple, s dot trim function. So it what it will do, it removes the blanks, from the either side of the string. Other blanks which are available in between the words remains unchanged. Okay, so either side of the string, both side of the string means before the string and after the string, it will cut or it will remove that space, that blanks, or it will remain unchanged in between the words space. Okay, so according to this, it will stores like this. Hello, jump means before and after space it will remove. It's a trim function.